Hip hinge to wall. This is a great exercise for working on moving through your hips using your hamstrings and your glute muscles. What you want to do is stand up against the wall. You're going to take 1 foot length away from the wall. You're going to have a narrow foot stance, hip width apart, with both your feet parallel and straight. From here, keeping locked out legs, you're going to go ahead and shift your hips back towards the wall, and then slowly raising your arms to keep your back flat. Touch those hips to the wall, and then drive those hips forward.